Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys why it is crucial, important to have sex on the first date. Hear me out. So I recently was seeing this guy. We were taking things slow. We probably had like 10 to 15 dates before actually having sex, okay? Before we had sex, I asked him, I was like, hey, so what do you like during sex? Do you have any like kinks, Trying to, He was like, no, I don't really have any kinks, nothing crazy, Okay, cool. So we go to have sex. At first it was fine, okay? His dick was fine, he was fine, and then he starts to dirty talk. Now I know what you're thinking. Dirty talk is sexy, dirty talk is hot. I agree completely. But this man did not do your typical, he could have said anything other than what he said. Because, okay, let me just reenact this for you. Okay, I'm him, okay? Yeah, you want me to get you pregnant? Yeah, you want me to put a baby in you so everyone knows you're mine? Yeah, you want me to get you pregnant? Now, I don't kink shame, but what the fuck? What the fuck? First time having sex, I asked you about your kinks. You didn't think that would you didn't think you could you should tell me that? You don't just spring that on somebody. That is the least sexy thing you could possibly say. Also, then he was like, talk back, say something. What the fuck do you want me to say? Yeah, you want to pay for my abortion? You want to be a single dad? Yeah? What the fuck? Months of getting to know this guy, getting deep with him, getting personal with him, out the door. Have sex on the first date. You heard it here first. Don't say I didn't warn you. You're welcome.